If you guys are looking for a DeFi token that not only you can earn ridiculous rewards by either lending your tokens out, staking, and so on, you can see these fantastic capital gains as well. Credefi is for you, and we're going to be talking about it in this video. We're going to be going over their website, going over their X account, and going over this chart right here because they are on fire right now, and it does not seem as though they're going to be slowing down. So let's discuss Credefi, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we have Credefi on the screen right now, and I'm just going to briefly go down their website, show you what these guys are about, show you how much money you can make by buying into Credefi, both in capital gains and then jumping into the Credefi ecosystem by staking and lending your tokens out. Now, if we come on down here, we can see that they are out of the European Union, and they are trying to revolutionize the finance game in the European Union. This is the CEO, Ivo here. It says, "I am proud to lead a company that is committed to making a positive impact on the world." Why? One of the things they do, they focus on small to medium enterprises. Guys, it's actually not easy for small to medium sized businesses to get loans. There's a lot of paperwork. The banks might not be as willing to loan out to them, so they come to the crypto space. Now, these are not super risky loans where you loan your money out to somebody who's not vetted and so on. These loans are backed up by real world assets as well. So there's a $176 billion debt financing gap that Credefi looks at filling right there. Absolutely incredible. They say that we are committed to helping small and medium enterprises, SMEs, in the EU to access financing they need to grow and succeed. Guys, we know that the multinational corporations out there, they have no issues. They've already slept with Wall Street. These small to medium enterprises, they're the backbones of, the United States, and I'm sure they're the backbones over in the European Union as well. So Credefi offers flexible financing solutions tailored to meet each borrower's unique needs. All borrowers on the platform are required to provide collateral and undergo our proprietary risk scoring, which is validated by Experian. Okay. Excellent. So if you're thinking about getting into Credefi, not only can you see those amazing capital gains, we're going to go over those in a second here. We're going to check out that chart in a second here. But you can also make some very, very nice rewards lending your Credefi out or staking your Credi tokens as well. So let's come down here before we move on, and it says loan to value 120%, risk predictability is greater than 85%, and look at this right here. If you are thinking about lending, this is what you want to see. Look at this default rate, literally 0%. Now, I know that the banks could do a better job loaning money out. I know that the banks could do a better job vetting people that are borrowing. These guys are proof of it. And if you want to be part of an industry that I believe absolutely has room to grow, because think about it, there's an absolute need for it. Small to medium-sized enterprises that can't necessarily make it with traditional financing can absolutely make it with DeFi or decentralized financing. So moving on down here, you can go through all of this, but you're going to have two tokens that you're looking at. Number one is Credi, and number two is Credi. Now, Credi is their token, right? This provides additional security and yield boost opportunities for loans on the platform and can be used to secure collateral protection insurance. Credi, this is when you stake there, earned through depositing Credi in the Module X security module. Credi serves as the Credefi's profit sharing and governance token and offers more rewards through our platform's reward mechanisms. If you find yourself interested in buying Credefi, and you probably will want to pick some up after you see this graph in a second here, it is already available on KuCoin. It is available on ApeSwap, and it is available on PancakeSwap. One of the things you need to know about already being available on KuCoin is that people already have access to it all over the world. KuCoin is a very, very large centralized exchange, and you're not going to have to deal with the volatility of Credi being listed on this major centralized exchange here, because as a lot of you know, on list day, it shoots up massively in value, and then a lot of people sell off waiting for the next event to take place. So you won't have to live through that crazy volatility of getting listed on one of these tier 1 exchanges. Now I ask you guys to go down through and read the rest of their website there so you can get a better understanding of everything involved. And if you do end up buying Credefi, right? It is very simple to do. You can simply click buy Credefi down here. You can go out to KuCoin if you've already got a KuCoin account, PancakeSwap, very simple, and so on. But make sure that you check out their platform to stake, to lend, and to actually utilize your Credefi as well. Now, I want to come on here and I want to see their X account really quick, and you guys can see that they're not messing around. They've already got 53,000 followers out on X, and if you guys would like to follow them, make sure you use the link in the description below to pull up all of their official websites. But man, you know, this is 62,000 impressions here, 19,000 impressions here. You've got 18,000 impressions here. You guys can scroll through their X account and get all of the information you want, but just right off the bat, you can see it's organic. The thing that I hate the most about a lot of these little projects that start up is when they go out, they buy followers, they scam people into believing that they're getting engagement on their things or on their posts, and then all of a sudden they rug out from under you, and that is not what these guys are doing. They're clearly already listed on KuCoin. They're doing very well, and look at the action over the last week and a half, 2 weeks here. Absolutely incredible, ripping from less than a cent all the way up above 8.5 cents. A beautiful, essentially dip buying opportunity today to get in that 5-cent range. And even if you just hit yesterday's highs, you would already be looking at 60, 70, 80% gains in less than a 24-hour period just to get back to where Credi was yesterday. Guys, this is a beautiful ascending trend line that they've got setting up both on the ascending lows and on the ascending highs. So hitting higher highs and hitting higher lows is creating an awesome ascending channel that you could use this to trade as well. So if you were considering either buying to take advantage of their ecosystem, staking, going out there, lending, and making that passive income, or if you're considering capital gains or even trading Credi, this is an excellent opportunity for all three of those scenarios to play out. So I want to know one thing and one thing only down in the comments below. Will you guys be buying Credefi? And if yes, I mean, you could go a little further. Are you interested in the passive income opportunities, or is it all about the capital gains? Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.